with a tutorial. Wait, before I start with that, can we guys just talk about how much I'm missing Empire? Like, I feel like I have no life without Empire. When is it coming back? How soon? I am missing Empire. Team Cookie all the way. Can we just talk about that? I mean, is that something that we can talk about? Where is Empire? When is it coming back? I feel like my life is over, and now Love and Hip Hop just ended. I know Love and Hip Hop Atlanta is coming, but what am I to do? I'm not even really a TV person, but Empire has got me tuned in every Wednesday. So what am I to do if there's no Empire? Can we just talk about that? But let's just stop. Let me stop playing. This is gonna be a tutorial on this look that I created, and it's a nice lip for a lip product I just picked up. This look was created with the Too Faced Cat Eyes palette. Can we just talk about how beautiful this palette is? The colors are amazing, and this palette is multi, like, you can use it, and this roll right here can be used for eyeshadow, or you can wet it and it can be an eyeliner. Talk about creativity. I am super impressed with Too Faced. If you haven't already, check out my spring haul, and you can get like a full description for first impressions. I mean, the colors are so pigmented. Can we talk about this? I mean, if you want to see how I created this look, definitely stay right here. palette, again by the Too Faced Cat Eyes palette. What I really like about this palette is that this side right here could be eyeshadow or eyeliner, so I really like that. Also on my lips, I just picked this up. I definitely have a haul coming for you guys. Is the Ruby Kiss Matte Lip Lacrosse. All these things are amazing. This is what is on my lip with MAC Magenta Liner. I really like this. I picked up like 3 of them, but I'm going to try to get a few more colors because these things are really nice. They're not drying. They have like a buttery texture. So I'm going to do a haul on these and give you all the scoop about it. And yeah, this is the look. So I hope that you guys like this look. I'm definitely going to try to figure out how to do more tutorials with talk through with not speeding them up, because when I try to do it with the talk through and not speeding it up, the videos are like so long. And I know, like, you know, when you first start out, you definitely want to have like a time limit on your videos. So as soon as I figure that out, we're going to have more talk through on the video, so it could be more in depth and more information for guys who want to try to recreate this look. Definitely, if you like the video, thumbs it up. Subscribe. Make sure you like the video. Come by anytime. I got a couple of things coming. This is a tutorial. I have another tutorial coming for you. I have a big haul coming for you. I'm just waiting for a couple of more pieces and I have a haul coming for you, and this time it's not cosmetics. It's gonna be a couple of little bits I picked up, little things I picked up, but it's mostly gonna be like clothes and accessories and stuff. I've been picking up some things for spring. So again, guys, you can always follow me on Facebook, Glitter Project Inc. You can follow me on IG, which is Beats by Glitter, and also you can follow me on Twitter, Glitter Project. It's Cassidy Diamond, and I'm out of here until my next video. I see you guys. Bye.